Welcome to Cindy Certified Recipes. Most of the time when I think of decorating a cake, stabilized whipped cream is first on my mind. What is stabilized whipped cream? Well, sit back, relax, and watch me whip some up. Okay, we're going to start off our whipped cream here by adding in 2 cups of cold, heavy cream. And a scant cup of powdered sugar. I'm going to put that on low to get it going and have to stop a little bit to scrape the sides down. Okay, going to scrape those sides down. Put that back up and we're going to put it on high. So the whisk is starting to leave lines in the cream, and that's when I like to add the gelatin, and I like to add it while the machine is going. I'll turn that back up. We're going to take a peek at that consistency. I think I'd like that a little stiffer, so I'm going to turn that back on just a little while longer. All right, I can already tell that is what I'm looking for. If I can get my spatula in there. That's what I'm looking for. And so I'm gonna take my beater out here and let that cool down, and we're gonna pipe some up. We're back with our stabilized whipped cream, and I'm just gonna pipe some out here to show you. I also wanted to tell you, you can adjust the sugar how you like it. I use this on cakes. I made my mom's birthday cake with it. I added cocoa powder to it, made my husband's birthday cake, chocolate whipped cream. And it's just a wonderful thing when you don't want something super sweet. And you can even make flowers or, decorations with it. It's just a great option when you're frosting pastries or just about anything that you want the whipped cream to stay and not drool and melt. It'll stay. I've had extra cake in the refrigerator for like a week and it was fine. So to me, this is the best recipe for making stabilized whipped cream. No more dripping, drooling whipped cream. Decorate to your heart's content and everything will stay fabulous. Please don't forget to subscribe, and remember, if it's time tested, top-notch ingredients, and the talk of the table, it's Cindy certified.